Some pizza slices go over 500 calories, and that's just one. This one, the whole thing fits in that range and still tastes like comfort food. Let's make it. In a bowl, add cottage cheese, eggs, and a pinch of salt. Blend until smooth, not just mixed, but creamy. This makes a big difference in the final texture. Now add flour, psyllium husk, and some dried herbs. I'm using oregano and a bit of garlic powder. Stir and let the dough rest for 10 minutes. The psyllium needs time to thicken the mix. Shape into a thin circle on parchment and bake until the edges are firm and lightly browned. While that bakes, prep the toppings. Halve some cherry tomatoes, slice bell pepper into strips, cut a lemon, and grab a handful of arugula. Take out the crust, spread a little tomato sauce. Look for one that's basically just tomatoes, maybe a pinch of salt, skip the sugar, skip the extras. Top with tomatoes, bell pepper, and grated parmesan. Back in the oven for a few minutes, just enough to warm the toppings. Then finish with slices of cured salmon, fresh arugula, and a quick squeeze of lemon juice. And here's the best part. This pizza is mostly protein, which means you'll actually feel full after eating it. No snack attacks an hour later. I love classic pizza, no argument there. But at some point, I realized it was made for people who chopped wood and washed clothes by hand and actually burned the calories for it. This version is lighter, protein-packed, and just fits how we eat now. Full recipe and nutrition are in the description. Upgrading food to fit the century. Karina.